The Caribbean is a top choice for travel because of its stunning beaches, softly swaying palms, and enticing blue seas. Around 31.5 million international tourists visit islands every year to soak in the sun, splash about in the sea, and enjoy the amazing choice of water sports. Its beautiful archipelagos are home to several captivating cities, as well as pristine environmental reserves, both on land and offshore. While many Caribbean islands are low-lying, others are volcanic in nature, with rocky mountain ranges, jungles, and waterfalls covering their interiors, and colorful reefs off the coast. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Puerto Rico, a Caribbean island that is a U.S. territory, but it has a mix of a Latin and Caribbean feel to it. History buffs will delight in Old San Juan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that boasts colorful colonial architecture, historical landmarks, and vibrant culture. The island's cuisine is a fusion of Spanish, African, and indigenous influences, with dishes such as mofongo and arroz con gandules that will tantalize your taste buds. Its beaches are some of the best in the world, with crystal clear waters, soft sand, and warm sunsets. Puerto Rican attractions go beyond the shore, with unique landmarks such as El Yunque Rainforest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System, and the bioluminescent bay in Vieques, where the water glows with microorganisms at night. Dominican Republic. If you're thinking of a Caribbean vacation, the Dominican Republic is a paradise that promises unforgettable experiences. One of its most significant historical figures is Christopher Columbus. It was on this island that Columbus first set foot in the Americas in 1492. It was a crucial stop on Columbus's journey to discover the New World, and he established the first European settlement in the Americas on the island, which he named La Isabela. Visitors can explore the ruins of La Isabela today and get a sense of what life was like for the first European settlers in the Americas. Over 7 million visitors visit the Dominican Republic each year for its most beautiful beaches in the world, with powdery sands, crystal clear waters, and colorful coral reefs. You can feel vibrant culture at every step, which is reflected in its lively music, dance, and cuisine, which is a blend of Spanish, African, and indigenous influences. Bahamas. The Bahamas is a stunning archipelago of over 700 islands and cays, located just off the coast of Florida. Only about 30 of them are inhabited. Famous for its turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and vibrant coral reefs, the Bahamas is a paradise for snorkelers, divers, and beachgoers alike. Renowned Nassau Island is home to a variety of luxury and all-inclusive resorts, caters to families, and is a popular vacation destination. Junkanoo, a vibrant street festival held every year, is a must-see event that showcases the best of Bahamian culture. The island is home to some of the most unique wildlife, including the famous swimming pigs of the Exumas. Visitors can swim with dolphins, feed stingrays, and even get up close and personal with sharks on a guided diving tour. The Bahamas is a true tropical paradise where the sun always shines and the water is always warm. Barbados. Barbados is an island located in the Eastern Caribbean and a great choice for travelers on a budget. Yet the island also has plenty of luxury resorts. One of the island's most popular attractions is the Oistins Fish Fry, a weekly event that showcases Barbadian culture through food, music, and dance. Visitors can sample fresh seafood and mingle with locals while listening to live music and enjoying the lively atmosphere. It is also a great place to sample some of the best rum. Barbados is home to some of the best surfing spots in the Caribbean, with world-class waves at Soup Bowl and Bathsheba. And for those looking for a more relaxed experience, the island's west coast offers calm waters and luxurious resorts. Jamaica. Jamaica, the land of reggae and rum, is a true tropical paradise known for its beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant culture. But did you know Jamaica has more to offer than just stunning scenery? From the majestic Blue Mountains, which are home to the world-famous Blue Mountain coffee, to the mysterious Green Grotto Caves, there are plenty of unique experiences to be had in Jamaica. One of the most incredible things about Jamaica is its food. From jerk chicken to ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's cuisine is bursting with flavor and is sure to tantalize your taste buds. When visiting this tropical paradise, you must not leave without visiting the birthplace of the famous Bob Marley. Make your way to 9 Mile and take a Bob Marley tour. Aruba. Aruba, a small island nation in the southern Caribbean Sea, is a tropical paradise well known for its beautiful weather, which includes bright skies, pleasant breezes, and very little rain. Aruba has a rich cultural heritage with a blend of Dutch, Caribbean, and South American influences. These historical influences are visible in the capital city of Hortensia, situated on the southern coast. The island is also home to the Natural Pool, a secluded spot where visitors can swim in a natural rock formation surrounded by the ocean. Tourists can sunbathe or swim one day and then go horseback riding or trekking the next. On Palm Beach, you may also try out various water activities, such as kite surfing, or simply relax in peace and quiet. Bonaire. Bonaire is a diver's paradise with some of the world's best underwater experiences. Its clear turquoise waters are home to a vast variety of marine life, including sea turtles, manta rays, and colorful tropical fish. The island is also a great spot for windsurfing, kiteboarding, and other water sports. On land, visitors can explore the island's rugged and wild beauty through hiking or mountain biking, with stunning views of the Caribbean Sea at every turn. Bonaire is also known for its friendly and laid-back atmosphere, making it the perfect place to unwind and relax. Whether you're a nature lover, a water enthusiast, or simply seeking some tranquility, Bonaire offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe is a French archipelago and a popular filming location, with scenes from movies like Pirates of the Caribbean and James Bond's Casino Royale shot on the island. You can explore its two main islands, Basse-Terre and Grande-Terre, which are connected by a bridge to discover a diverse range of landscapes, from stunning beaches and turquoise waters to lush rainforests and towering waterfalls. In addition to its natural beauty, Guadeloupe also offers a rich history and fascinating culture, with influences from African, Indian, and European heritage. The perfect trip to Guadeloupe will include a visit to the national park on Basse-Terre called Guadeloupe National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the highest peak in the Lesser Antilles, La Soufriere volcano. Cuba. Cuba was influenced by communism, Castro, and the Cold War. Today, this largest island of the Caribbean Sea is a popular tourist destination with a thriving tourism economy. One of Cuba's most iconic landmarks is the capital city of Havana, with its colorful buildings, vintage cars, and live music scene. The city is also home to the famous Malecón seawall, where locals and visitors alike come to enjoy the ocean views and the lively street life. The most famous beach, Varadero Beach, consistently ranks among the best beaches in the world. You can also explore the country's natural beauty, from the lush forests of the Sierra Maestra Mountains to the crystal-clear waters of the Bay of Pigs. Here, you find a unique blend of cultures with influences from Spanish, African, and Caribbean traditions. Martinique. This French-speaking island is a mix of stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Martinique's beaches are breathtaking, with white sands, azure waters, and a lush tropical backdrop. The island also boasts a stunning natural phenomenon, Mount Pelée, an active volcano that last erupted in 1902 but now offers a beautiful hiking experience. The island offers the charming colonial town of Saint-Pierre, known as the Paris of the Caribbean before it was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Pelée. You can also visit the Habitation Clément, a former sugarcane plantation turned museum, showcasing Martinique's history of slavery and the rum-making process. No trip to Martinique would be complete without indulging in its delicious cuisine influenced by French, African, and Caribbean flavors. Be sure to try the island's signature dish, acras, a savory fritter made with salt cod. Don't forget to tell us which of these places you found most fantastic and which you put on your bucket list. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and share it so more people can discover the wonders of these Caribbean islands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.